Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today's recipe is aloo gobi, restaurant style. So I have here in my pan about half a cup of oil, vegetable oil. You can use any oil you like, and I'm gonna turn the heat on and let the oil heat up. So my oil is nice and hot, so I have here curry patta and zira. I'm just gonna let it fry a little bit. Just for a minute, not too long. And I have here about 3 potatoes and a full head of cauliflower. Cut into small pieces. You can have big if you like, but this is what I have. Oh, it's big. I'm gonna add everything into the pan. We're going to fry. Basically, you're going to fry this for about 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes and the cauliflower is tender. And you can cover this up. And in a separate pan, we will make a masala. So we're gonna let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So in a separate pan, we're going to add about a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. And we're gonna add the masala. I have here fried onions, red chili, cumin powder, turmeric, garam masala, salt. I'm gonna add to the pan. And I also have tomatoes, chilies, about 6 chilies, garlic and ginger paste. We're gonna also add a little bit of water. Add some water. I'm just gonna let it cook. Now that all the masala is mixed really good, and we added about a quarter cup of water, and we're going to let it cook. We're gonna cover it up and let it cook for 10 minutes. So every once in a while, you have to kind of move it around to make sure everything is getting cooked properly. So this masala is done. I'm gonna set it aside for now. So this aloo gobi has been cooking for about 15 minutes. It is nice and tender. Now we are going to add the masala that we were cooking. Just gonna mix it together carefully, not to mush the cauliflower. I'm just gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes like this. So the aloo gobi is ready. The potatoes are nice and tender and soft. And now we're just going to garnish with some cilantro, dhania, and it's ready to serve. There you have it, guys. What do you think? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. Have an amazing day. Bye.